Ladies and gentlemen, I'm reporting to you live from the frozen tundra here in Albuquerque. No, we're not in Albuquerque. Shit, we took a wrong turn in Albuquerque. Now we're...
Do y'all like road trips? Anybody in here by round of applause like road trips? Guys, if you don't like road trip, just shut up and listen and we'll get back to you, okay? Dude, I love road trips. The call of the adventure, the open road, my wife Googling random bullshit roadside attractions. Guys, over this year, I have seen a statue that looks like a lollipop in Utah. I've seen a 200-foot cross in Arkansas. And ladies and gentlemen, I have seen the Cadillac Ranch in Texas. Do y'all know what any of that shit is? You know why? Because you never Googled random roadside attractions. My time is almost up, so y'all listen. I got to tell you this story. I got to get through this story. My wife decides to go to Cadillac Ranch while we're driving through a fucking blizzard.
Now we're in Amarillo. We're in a Cadillac Ranch. That's where we're at. Cadillac Ranch.
Do I look like I'm dressed for a fucking blizzard? No, I'm not. Okay, let me explain to you what the Cadillac Ranch is, okay? Cadillac Ranch is where it looked like somebody parked... No, I'm going to go back. The Cadillac Ranch, what they done was some random folks got a bunch of kindergartners to finger paint on some Cadillacs, and they buried them nose first in a random fucking field in Texas. Now my wife wants to visit this while it's fucking in a blizzard. I want to please my wife because she just showed me a new yoga pose she had learned at Oh My God. No sacrifice, no reward, baby. I'm sacrificing. Unfortunately, I have to walk 200 yards through a fucking blizzard. It's cold, it's wet, I'm cold, I'm pissed. Look at me, I don't like fucking snow. Okay? We get out there. I shit you not. She looked around and went, oh, this is nice. Let's go back to the car. Are you fucking kidding me? You better take a picture. Sign a fucking Cadillac.
Man, holy shit, it's cold.